Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. Gemini. What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? And we are having here Eight of Wands, High Priestess, Three of Swords, Ace of Wands. What are the Gemini's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Gemini's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? The Devil, Five of Swords, Knight of Cups, Six of Cups. What are the mutual energies? Five of Cups, Eight of Swords. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Capricorn with this Devil, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Knight of Cups, Six of Cups, Five of Cups, Pisces with this High Priestess, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Three of Swords, Eight of Swords, Five of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ace of Wands, Eight of Wands. Let's talk about your person's feeling here, and with this Eight of Wands, fast communication between you two. The person, whenever they think about you, they think you break their heart. You broke their heart. You just give them pain. Whenever when a person is keep complaining in a various ways, even you are getting these vibes from a person, their vibes, their vibrations, the hints, their whatever they talk about, you can sense that this person is really heartbroken because of you. That part, this specific phase, the time period they spend with you, they just when analyze that, go back in time, they think you break their heart, and their heart is always broken in this matter, in your matter. Overall, maybe they're happy, calm, peace, all of it, but when they think about you, when they talk to you, they think you break this person's heart. This person is heartbroken. Communication between you two, some kind of maybe talk, maybe this person open up and drag you in this conversation when they talk about how you break their heart. So it's a possibility. Maybe they talk to you, send you text message, and somehow you guys end up talking about how painful this was for this person. And you are right now, about you, the overall scenario, you are a mystery. You are not. It's hard for them to decode you, decipher you, find out what is actually in your brain, what is in your heart, how you feel, what are you doing. This person want to know about that. What the deal, what actually in your brain, what is actually happening. So they want to decode you, they want to know more about you. So maybe they're trying to cope up with you, they're trying to know what is in your brain. You are a mystery for them, complete silent mystery. And I think you're not letting them to find out about you. And they want, this is a passionate new idea in this person's brain, they're excited towards you. This is a beginning. Ace of Wands, a passionate new beginning. And this person is always in this excited, when you make them somehow excited and give them this, you switch on this person's passion for you. And about your feelings, the Devil, Gemini, after a very long time, this card in your side, you are going to obsess over this person, or you will feel this karmic soul kind of pull when two people together, loving each other, taking care of each other. It's a soulmate connection when they feel these vibes, when they feel each other. But when it's become toxic, when it's become poison, then this poison, this toxic energies, it's turned into a karmic soulmate connection. So you will experience some kind of karmic soulmate connection with this person, some kind of disagreement between you two, conflict, tricks, mind games, directly, indirectly, when you talk to each other something about something that you really don't want to about that specific something, but somehow you guys drag each other in that kind of specific thing that you both avoid. So disagreement, conflict, anxieties, upcoming days for you. It will give you anxiety. This talk, this heartbreaking situation, if this person talk to you about that, it will definitely give you some kind of anxieties and soulmate pull. When you can't get rid of this connection, you really really want to. Sometimes we want to, get rid of all of this, but we can't. Over and over, drag ourselves in this pain. And with this Eight of Cups, you are polite. You can't directly pick up a fight with this person and can't directly tell this person, you are a karmic soulmate for me. Can't. You are just, polite, but deep down, you know that how painful it is dealing with this person and having this person in your life. So you are just polite with them, and it's a fact. You are missing the good times as well. This is a really soulmate connection, actually. I can feel that, I can sense that. This is a karmic soulmate connection. You are missing this person, you're polite toward this person, you are offering this person your affection. It's a vice versa, Gemini. You are missing this person badly and you are getting obsessed to this person, and these memories giving you anxieties and depression and disagreement between you two. And this person is grieving over past, the specific you, that a lot of matters in a person's life, but in your matter this person is regretting over past. They're grieving, they are just totally grieving over you. This person lose it whatever between you two, and it's hard to find again. But two cups still left, but it's not that easy to fall in love again with all the insecurities and pain and neglects and mistakes. And you are thinking about something, your thoughts surround you and hold you and cage you. There is a blindfold around your eyes, and you are just tie up there. You are overthinking and anxieties in you in upcoming days. Let's see what else we have for you, Gemini. What else we have for Gemini? We are having here the Fool, King of Swords, Nine of Cups. This person enjoy your company. They want to have a new beginning with you, and you really don't want that. You are just strict, cold, surface cold, deep down. You don't want any feelings. You really don't want to have any feelings for this person. You are really cold in this matter, calculative, straightforward, and not letting this person to again give you some kind of emotions and feelings. You already get enough. And with this Nine of Cups, this person is dreaming about you, thinking about you. You guys keeping each other in dreams. You guys keeping each other in their which in your imaginations and virtual realities, and taking no action about this relationship. Just doing nothing but imagining, keeping each other in dreams, talking to each other in their head, their storyline, their imaginations. It's up to them how kind of what kind of storyline they create in their mind. Your imaginations is your up to you what kind of storyline you create with this person. But overall, you guys create a whole virtual reality in your minds for each other and taking no actions in a real world. Or this is the things between you two, but in your imaginations, different. Okay, let's see what else we have. Just grab some more energies from future, and what should you do about this person? We are having here Temperance, Justice, and Eight of Pentacles. With this Temperance, this person wants balance in their life. They really don't want to feel this heartbreak situation. They really don't want this pain to cover them. So they realize that late, really on a right time, and they will try to you know, just try to control these feelings. They really don't want to feel this pain over and over again. And they are making peace with you as well. Pushing you away, mind games and tricking you, playing with your heart is not how things work. This formula can't work again. This formula, this mind games and tricks and assumptions not taking you anywhere. Instead, it will give you more pain, both of you. So this person realized that, and they're trying to cope up with you. They're trying to make peace with you. They are trying to, be angelic energies between you two, the soft and the peace out sign from this person. You are demanding justice from this person and from destiny, and you are really, you get that one thing can fix the situation. Do whatever this person try to do with you. If they are peaceful with you, just show peace. And if they are just picking up a fight with you, just ignore them. Do not talk to them. This is you are doing right now. You are just balancing this scale. And upcoming days, really busy working on yourself, working on your job. It could be any kind of work, but really busy work in upcoming days. You are really busy with all of your stuff. Okay, let's see what else we have for you. Schooling, study, and education help your life's purpose and personal growth at this time. The angel will guide you and help you with the process. Okay, like this work related stuff, I think it's about your school, study, job, and it will give you a lot of exposure. Okay, let's see what advice message. Believe in destiny, seek for truth, have faith, enjoy this time. This working is amazing. These are few advice messages in the end, and summary of your reading is this person is heartbroken. Whenever they talk about, they will drag you in this conversation. And whenever they think about you in this specific matter, they always heartbroken. They want to have a new beginning with you, but later on they will get that these tricks and these games will give each other anxieties and depressions. So just trying to make peace with you, trying to be cooperative with you, and you are obsessed over this person, this agreement, but you can't pick up a fight with this person. So you are just being polite and missing this person a lot and trying to be in balance, working, schooling, study, and job in upcoming days. Enjoy this beautiful time. These are some of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.